was the happy one I went to?
Flowers.
Huh?
What was the happy one?
Huh?
I'm going to take a picture of you.
Ow!
Do the happy, the party time. Potty time. Let's see it. Now. Okay, I don't believe you can do it then. Now, what happens when you're real sick? Let me see it. You just said you didn't feel good, that you were sad.
My stomach hot.
No.
It does hurt.
You can't do it. You can only do it when you're not asked.
Yeah.
You're looking at me. You're watching over me like a vulture. What?
I'm just being silly.
If you don't ask me, I'm gonna